What's going on, people? So today's video is going to be an unboxing video in an effort to beef up my backup power supply for my home. I decided to invest in a portable generator. Not only would I be using this at home if something was to happen with the power here, but I'll be mostly taking it on our camping trips. So that way we don't have to always rely on power sites. So that's one of the reasons why I decided to invest in a generator. Let me show you the generator. Here is the generator. This is the WEN 3600 dual fuel inverter generator. It uses gas and propane. So I'm about to open it up right now, see what it comes with. All right, so I just opened the box up. Let's see what we got. We got a funnel to fill it up with oil. They even give you a bottle of oil. That's what's up. Can't beat that. We got some tools. Different tools in here. This right here, this is the hose for that connects the propane tank to the generator. So pretty excited about that. Give you the hose, that's great. We got some instructions as always. Can't go wrong with instructions. And last but not least, we got the actual generator. Oh. Ooh. And there we go. Everything that came into the box, outside of the box. So let's take a closer look. This is the front of it. As you can see, you got your 30 amp plug for RV connections. You got your two 120 volt outlets, DC outlet. You got your USB outlets. You got the indicators, AC breaker, DC breaker, reset button, parallel connector. So if you want to connect to another generator, this is your digital meter, let you know your load and running time and different things, oil levels, different things like that. And that's your CO2 sensor. This is the connector for the propane tank. So you put gas in there. A lot of warning labels here. This is your access panel, as well as the switch for the ignition, fuel, runtime, and choke. You pull handle, obviously. Pretty good instructions. Let's turn to the other side. There you go. This is the back panel. This is you unhook these to get to your oil, so you can plug it, so you can fill it and drain it at the same time. So yeah, spark plugs, easy in there. So that's cool. So that was my quick unboxing video. I'm going to be taking it camping this weekend, test it out, run through its braking process, see how it performs. I'm going to connect it to my 1800 watt portable heater, see how long it runs with connected to that. One of the reasons why I got this, because when we camp in the wintertime, I want to be able to camp off grid without having to go to a location and utilize their power. I want to be able to have my own sustainable power. And getting this is the next best thing. Because the Blue Yeti is great, but unfortunately I can't run my portable heater off it because the portable heater is 1800 watts and the Blue Yeti is only 2000. So it'll run for like 30 minutes, if that. So I needed something with a little bit more power that's going to run it. So we're going to test it out this weekend. I'm going to plug it in, see how long it runs with the heater plugged into it, and let you guys know how it goes. Good morning, people. It is time for another camping adventure. About to get ready, but this weekend I'm doing something a little bit different. Instead of camping in our normal spot, we're camping in Greenbelt, Maryland. And instead of using a tent, I'm going to be camping in this van right behind me. Yes, I am van camping this weekend. Just a quick overnight. The weather's nice. We decided to go camping this weekend. And I'm only doing the overnight. That's why I'm van camping. I'm going to pack all my gear into this van, set it up, and see how it goes. This is I think it's a 2025 Pacifica. As you see, it's black. So I'm going to load my gear up, set it up, how I'm going to sleep in it tonight, and then pack everything else up and head out to Greenbelt, meet up with my brother. He's already there. I didn't feel like pitching a tent for an overnight trip. It was kind of muddy out there, considering, all the snow was melted and the weather's a little nicer, but still, I didn't want to pitch a tent. I'm also going to be testing out my new WEN 3600 generator that I picked up. So when we tested that, I will breaking it in this weekend as well, see how it holds up. So yeah, so let me get the van packed and hit the road. So I have a minivan already. I have a Dodge Caravan 2017. I've had it for a while. I've took it on some camping trips, but it's acting a little funny. Got to get it inspected and all that good stuff. So I figured let me rent something. This right here is nice. It has the same stow and go seating as my Dodge Caravan. It seems to be a little wider than the Caravan, but we're gonna see how I may be able to set it like I normally set my Caravan up, where I put my gear on one side and I have my bedding right here. I'm not gonna bring all my gear, but I wanna bring enough to make sure everything is cool. So yeah, I wanna try and set up. I've already folded down the seats, as you can see. I wanna leave that one up. Then again, I may fold it. I may get more room, so I may drop it anyway, just to give me some more room on that. It's like I got to pack out, so yeah, so let me get started with this. All right, so as you can see, I'm more packed up. Got my generator. This is the new WEN 3600 watt generator. It takes it takes gas and propane. I got my propane tank. We'll be using that for the break-in period, and mostly using our propane anyway. Pack outs on one side, rest of my camping gear. Show you what the side looks like. Easy access for my quick access stuff in my pack outs. So I'm all set, ready to go. Let me get on the road. So we are officially here. You see me pulling through the entrance. I'm going to D-Loop. My brother's over here somewhere. We're going to ride around. You see we got people set up here for a while. We're going to ride around this circle. Oh, there's my brother's campsite over there. In the distance, it's a nice place. Not too bad. Wrong way. Yeah, I know. I came the wrong way. I'm new. Well, it's not too bad. I can tell this place gets crowded, though. I can tell it gets crowded. There's my brother's stuff over there. All right, so I'm here. I'm making room in the van to set up my cot. Got the generator out. I'm about to open it up, put some oil in it, and start running it through the break-in process while I'm out here right now. See how it goes. Like I said, no tent today. We in the van, so we're gonna set it up for sleeping tonight and make sure I'm comfortable. All right, so I'm about to open this up. You gotta turn these to unlock it, like so. This just comes down, and there's your oil right there. That's a filter. I Obviously, that's the motor that's going to power everything. Gas cap. Plug in for the propane. Let's put some oil in it and get it running. So the oil they give you when you buy the generator already has the right amount, which is 16.9 fluid ounces to fill up the oil. So once you can just empty the whole bottle, and that's it. I want to keep this bottle because I got some synthetic oil I want to fill up in here, so that way I'll know always how much to put in there, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'm about to pull this oil in there right now. All right, so it's all filled up with oil. Turn it around. Propane can, propane hose, they give it to you. Let to plug it in. Set it, start it, and let's go. All right, we got the propane hose connected. As you see, we got to turn this to the choke, which is right there. You got to give it a couple of pulls. Make sure everything is set the way it's supposed to be set, I believe. Let's get a pull. You got a choke. It's on choke. It's on choke. Hold it down. I don't know what's going on.
The fuel on?
Oh, you know what? I didn't open the propane can up. We up there pulling, and I didn't even open the propane up. All right, let's do it. I don't know. Hold on. So after much work, we got it running. We had to switch it to know it's working. We're gonna let it run, cycle it through, put some power on it, see how it does. We got the braking period about 8 hours. Sounds good. So we're gonna finish, gonna plug some stuff into it, see how it goes. Now during the braking process, we got to charging up my brother's cheap ass power bank. Right now, so I got the van ready for sleeping. You see my little cot. I got my little air pad under there, my sleeping pad underneath there. Just right there. I had to double it because it's too wide, so I double it so that way it could fit onto the thing. I didn't fill it fully out, I just double it. So now got a little my regular sheet, blankets, wool blanket. Like I said, people, invest in a wool blanket. You can. One of the most important investments you can make is to be camping survival. 100% wool blankets are the truth. Whether it be summer, winter, or fall, you want to get yourself a wool blanket. Pack our stuff is all there. So this we're gonna be sleeping at tonight. And I will let you know how it goes. I got my little heater right there. So I'm good. We're gonna see how it goes. Little Blue Yeti. My jacket right there, I probably won't be using those, so I'm going to use the generator to power the heater, because my Blue Yeti, if I plug it into there, it's probably only going to last 15 minutes, and it's not going to last long, so that's why I'm doing it this way. So, yep. So, my brother, infinite wisdom, he brought out his wood burner stove. Sure did. And he decided, let me cut a hole in the tent. Now, we are hoping I don't know what kind of fire retardant he got up in. But I'm hoping this joint don't catch on fire because it's not going to be pretty. But so far, so good.
Hey, we on some MacGyver shit.
We MacGyvering out here. We doing whatever it does. Even though it's not that hot. I mean, it's not that cold, but
It is
what it is. Nothing like hamburgers over the open flame. Instead of this Burger King. All right, so we just ran through the braking process. It ran strong. We did various loads. Just did the oil change. You can see over here. This is the dirty oil that came out of there. Just put in this new running synthetic. So I put this in here. So we're gonna run that. So it should be good to go. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna run it tonight with my little portable heater. Shower hose up. Let you guys know how it goes in the morning.
See any choppers? I don't see any choppers. We lost the chopper.
So, to wrap up the video, I did not sleep in the van last night. Due to the weather that's happening Sunday morning, my brother, who was tent camping, decided to pack up early because he didn't want to have to pack up in the rain, which is fine by me. I didn't have a problem with that. So we ended up packing up last night after we was watching the movie and packed up, and I came home. So I didn't sleep in the van. Next time, well, not the next time, but at some point I will do another van camping video. Fortunately, I didn't get a chance to, record this one, but I'll get you guys to the next one. Once again, you guys be safe, and as always, stay ready.